Difference of matrices. Two matrices can be subtracted if and only if they have the same order. It basically means that in order to subtract two matrices, the order of both the two matrices should be the same. Otherwise, we cannot subtract two matrices. So, let's consider matrix A, which is A11, A12, A13, all the way to A33. And let's consider another matrix B with elements B11, B12, B13, all the way to B33. If we want to subtract these two matrices, then the resultant matrix will be C equals to matrix A minus matrix B. Now, let's substitute the value of matrix A from here to here and the value of matrix B from here to over here. So, let's rewrite. So, we can write C is equal to this matrix A over here minus this matrix B. As you can see, we have C is equal to matrix A, which is right here, minus matrix B. If we subtract two matrices, we need to subtract the individual elements of the matrices. We will subtract B11 from A11, B12 from A12, B13 from A13, all the way to B33 from A33. So let's do that. If we do that, our resultant matrix will be C is equal to A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A13 minus B13, all the way to A33 minus B33, and this is our resultant matrix after subtraction. Let's consider an example of difference of matrices. So let A be a matrix of elements which is given here 3, 10, 5, 12, 17, 12, 13, 30, 18, and B is a matrix with elements 1, 0, 5, 4, 7, 9, 12, 3, 11, and we have to find the resultant matrix which is the difference of matrix A and B. So let's do it. We can write the resultant matrix C is equal to matrix A minus matrix B. We need to bring these two matrices from here and substitute for A and B respectively. So we have matrix A minus matrix B. We got these two matrices A and B from here and here. If we want to subtract two matrices, we need to subtract the individual elements from each other. So if we do that, we will subtract 3 minus 1, 10 minus 0, 5 minus 5, 12 minus 4, 17 minus 7, all the way to 18 minus 11, and which is over here. 3 minus 1 is 2, 10 minus 0 is 10, 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 4 is 8, 17 minus 7 is 10, 12 minus 9 is 3, 13 minus 12 is 1, 13 minus 3 is 27, and 18 minus 11 is 7. So this is our resultant matrix after the difference of two matrices A and B.